Hey everyone, welcome back to the Almost Naked Chef. I'm your host Miranda May, here bringing you fun, creative food ideas and tips that will hopefully help make you feel good naked. Today on Tidbit Tuesday, I am going along the same theme from last week of the keto diet. Very popular right now. It's very high demand for tips and tricks in the kitchen for that. So I'm just going to do a simple cauliflower rice. I just want to display to you just how easy it is. Again, use your blend tech or your good blender rather. You can use a food processor. If you're using a food processor, you don't necessarily have to cut it up as finely as I did, or chop it rather. But I found that if I put just like the big pieces of cauliflower in the blender, it doesn't blend it as well. So you just want to actually do it in like pieces. So you want to use the same pulsing action as the almond flour. Good, good, good. A couple more. Oops. Okay, and a couple more. Good stuff. Give it a little stir around. Looking really ricey already. Okay, there we are. Perfect. Let's do a couple more pulses. And again, if you have a food processor, it'll go a lot quicker. But there we are. There's our cauliflower rice. Perfect. How beautiful is that? And it takes no time at all to cook. I like to season it with like dill, garlic. You just heat some olive oil in the pan, and you literally saute garlic, onions, and then you throw in the cauliflower rice, which is amazing, and you add some dill to finish it off. It's so flipping good. So there we are. Keto friendly, fun and exciting, very healthy, makes you feel good naked. So thank you for tuning in to Tidbit Tuesday. I hope that you will try this right away at home. Kindly tag the Almost Naked Chef with whichever flavors you like to flavor it up with. I would like to hear everything that you are putting in it. We'll see you next week.